CoTracker3 from Meta AI just came out, and you could track almost any points you want, even under occlusion. If you're new to my channel, I teach robotics and AI, so subscribe to learn more. So they have a GitHub repo here, so go ahead and check it out if you want to play with the code. So let's take a look here at some of the amazing results that it can produce. So here you can see that it does tracking of videos of different objects and animals in videos. You can see that it does very well with the scenes constantly moving, even rotating objects. It still keeps tracks of all the points. Very amazing. And you can see down here, it does some tracking through occlusion. So notice here on the bottom, this is with CoTracker. You see when it passes through that person, it captures all the points still, whereas the other methods, it loses track of the points. Very amazing. And here you can see that this is more tracking. This is using a regular grid. So this is a good use case if you want to capture a dense sort of tracking. So you're getting every single point instead of just single points, but you can also get single points if you want to. And here's some effects of scaling, as you can see here. So this is perfect for robotic type applications where you're trying to pick up objects. So when you move your camera in and out a lot, you can see that it does very well with scaling. But here you can see that it does fail in some cases. So it has trouble with water surfaces or in the sky. So you can see that those are currently the ongoing challenges that it faces. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.